Hello mga momshi, Ana Banana is back for another adventure. For this year, we got lucky kasi Tita Telma and Tito Rodel got to sponsor our Japan trip with the help of Mamu and Tita Delia, of course. We stayed in an Airbnb in Asakusa that Tita Telma rented. On our first day from airport, konting pahinga lang, then diretso na kami to visit Tokyo Sky Tree as shown on my previous video. So, day 2, we visited Shibuya. Using our unlimited subway ticket that we got from Klook, we went from Asakusa Station using Ginza Line to Shibuya Station. Paglabas ng station, bubulaga na sa iyo ang famous scramble crossing ng Shibuya. It took us 51 minutes to arrive here. Syempre, di complete ang tour kundi naman namin ma-experience ang pagtawid. Mas madami pa nga ata yung kasabay naming mga turista kaysa sa mga residente. And one thing, kala ko mali yung napuntahan namin kasi malaki siya tingnan sa video kaysa sa personal nung nakita ko na siya. Syempre, di namin malilimutan na bisitahin ang legendary loyal dog ng Japan na si Hachiko. Tita Telma and Tito Rodel, sama mo pa si Tita Delia, are all pet lovers, kaya makikita mo talaga yung happiness nila nung makita nila yung statue ni Hachiko. Syempre, happy din ako. Sabi nga nila di complete ang visit sa Tokyo if wala ang photo with the legendary famous dog. Siyempre, extra challenge din yung malalakas na ulan at weather. It was 5 degrees that day, so just imagine, pag humangin ng malakas, nangangatal ako sa lamig. With that, we decided to sip some coffee and tea sa Starbucks. After a quick merienda, since one of the goals ng trip na to is to be surrounded by beautiful cherry blossoms, we decided to go to Ueno Park. Siyempre, subway ticket ulit since unlimited. Baba ng Ueno Station, lakad lang ng 10 minutes and mararating mo na yung one of the famous parks para sa cherry blossom. Here, we were able to see one tree of a full bloom sakura. Diretso ka lang sa hagdan, then pagpanik mo, yung unang tree na andon, sobrang pink na. Sobrang ganda niya tingnan at we can't help to take photos of it. Since one bucket list check na, we decided to go home and take lunch sa Yoshinoya. I got beef bulgogi. Kakaiba yung food talaga dito. Ang sarap. Busog-lusog ka talaga. Then, after maging busog-lusog, naglakad na kami going to our Airbnb to rest. Kailangan na magpahinga because tomorrow is another day. Day 3 is Mount Fuji Day. So, see you sa next video!